Hey, what are you guys doing here? Just joshing.
Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in.
Hey guys, today for my video, I'm gonna be making Cafe du Monde French donuts, better known as beignets. Here are the ingredients that you will need: beignet mix, all-purpose flour, oil to heat up in a pan, a rolling pin, a whisk, a knife, and a bowl. First, I put in 2 cups of the beignet mix. Next, I'm adding in 7 ounces of water. Y'all know what's next. Mix, mix, mix! Next, I'm adding flour to the counter so that the dough does not stick to it. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, my annoying sister's hand telling me what to do, but she's actually telling me a good tip, which was to put flour on my hand so that the dough does not stick. We don't have an official rolling pin, so we had to make do with what we got and use a makeshift tool, but here I am rolling out the dough. Here we are adding flour on top of the dough, hoping that it'll make our beignets fluffier and crispier. I begin to cut the edges off to make sure that our beignets have the perfect shape. Now we're just coating the other side in flour just to make sure that it's all even. Please excuse my sister trying to make a TikTok. Anyways, here we are finally putting the beignets in the hot oil. Yeah, as y'all saw, the grease popped back and hit my hands, so I had to take a short break, and my sister finished cooking the rest of the beignets for me. While we're cleaning, let me give you some facts about beignets. The word beignet comes from the early Celtic word ben, meaning to raise. It is also French for fritter. Beignets, a New Orleans specialty, are fried raised pieces of yeast dough, usually about 2 inches in diameter or 2 inches in square. Beignets have been associated with Mardi Gras in France since at least the 16th century, and many recipes for beignets appear in French works around the same time. Beignets are often shown in movies that take place in Louisiana. A movie that takes place in Louisiana and features beignets is Disney's Princess and the Frog. Bro, how are you so calm right now? I want my food. I want my beignets. Je veux beignet! Now I have my 2 siblings here to taste test. Let's see what they have to say. Why did you tear it apart like that?
Let's try that again, babes.
Okay, well, we're gonna redo that.
Let's see what they got to say.
Let's see. It's a good texture. You see, it's airy. It's a little thin, but it still tastes really good. It's for real just fried dough, if we're being honest.
Okay, Ashley.
I don't know if I got one of the bad ones, but mine, you see, it has a little bit of, dryness right there. No crust,
Okay.
I really want that crust.
I could definitely fix that on the next go.
Now, you see, I will give this.
See, the middle tastes really good. It's really giving.
You real chewing.
Like, me?
And now we're gonna try
the
the authentic. I see. No, okay. Really? No, try coffee dip. It tastes
Try the
really
coffee
good.
dip.
It tastes actually really good.
Coffee dip. That's really good.
I dip it again. It's that French roast.
As you can see, I definitely had some mixed reviews. Some things I could work on better next time. But I'm just gonna close the video out. Thank you guys for watching. That was my take on Cafe du Monde beignets.